Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade ideas show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tefleezy for Cheesy is in the heezy for all the beesies. All the beesies. How was your day?
Oh, today was a good day, man. Today was a flat day in the markets. However, we were up a lot.
Up a lot.
Yeah.
Palantir move?
Palantir. Tesla was very surprising.
You know what? I'm gonna level
out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere too. No, because they had very bullish news. They said that they had a Tibetan charging station. Yeah. So now I could scale Mount.
They're getting
Everest.
into China as well. Yeah.
Yeah, you could now scale Mount Everest without
Everest?
Mount Everest.
Shout out to my brother. Actually, he did that.
He scaled Everest.
He tried to conquer it.
Your brother has lived a life.
Oh,
I'm gonna say that your brother has lived a life. Your brother is if there was ever the most interesting man in the world, and if he was Filipino, that's your brother. It's like no. Remember, like the most interesting man in the world.
I know.
Yeah, that's your brother.
Yeah,
Jeffrey, you are the most interesting Filipino in the world.
You know what's funny? I was just texting him earlier. I told him, "Hey, check out Starlink."
Oh, very bullish on Starlink.
So you can get internet.
I know. I signed up for Starlink.
Oh, we're going to talk about that.
I signed up for Starlink. I feel like your brother is like the Filipino Chuck Norris.
Comes out of nowhere too.
It comes out of nowhere too. Like, if Jesus swam on walked on water, your brother swam through land.
Wow,
he's that good. He's
trying to picture that.
He's that good. He's that good. Now, you know what? The stocks that we're going to cover for you guys today are the 3 stocks that we think is good for a swing potential. Right, we're in market conditions right now that's kind of giving us more. How do you say this? More consistent trends, and when we see consistent trends, you can hold on to your stocks for a lot longer.
Yeah,
today was a chop fest, but if you're really taking a look at it, especially if you're swing trading, this is a great strategy for people who cannot chart watch all day.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So for people who want to get in a trade, see how it goes from a day-to-day basis and not have to worry about what's happening, and you guys are willing to take on that kind of volatility sometimes, or if it dips, you could add more and then wait for it to rip, and then you're good to go. These are the top 3 stocks that we feel has a lot of good swing potential. So if you guys want to know more, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up if you guys like this content. If you guys give us a thumbs down, your mom's a hoe. Also, if you want us to cover any stocks, make sure you guys drop it down in the comment section below or join our Discord. If you're not going to drop it in the comment section below, for the people who are on our Discord, tell us what you guys want us to cover so we have an idea. Right? We can't just be missing these plays with you guys, right? So make sure that you guys do that. And let's get to it after this banging new intro. Again, a banging new intro because nobody wants to give us any beats. Again, beats for merch. It's that easy, guys. Beats for merch. Let's take a look at the Qs. What a chop day today.
It was, though.
Very much so chop liver. But isn't that something that we kind of expect after pops?
We spoke about it yesterday.
We did, right? Remember, guys, if you guys are looking at the at any chart, especially the daily chart, if you guys see a nice pop, expect some sideways action like this right here. Pop, sideways. Pop, sideways.
Pop, sideways.
Pop, locking sideways.
Is that
pop, locking sideways.
Pop, sideways.
Yeah.
Pop, consolidate. Diamond hands. Pop.
So again, when you guys do see chop fest like this, it's like when it goes sideways on y'all, don't be afraid, especially if you're swing trading these, right? Expect some type of consolidation. Remember, consolidation is the short seller's worst enemy. Because remember, if it was gonna drop, it would have already dropped.
Yeah.
Always remember that, right?
That's how I feel whenever I short stocks. I was like, damn it.
If it was gonna go up, it was already gonna go. It was. If it was gonna go up, the trend was gonna reverse, and it was already reversed. Exactly, my guy.
I suck at shorting.
Exactly. Shorting is difficult. Shorting is a whole different skill. Shorting is a whole different skill. It's not a shorting is really not meant for swing shorting.
No,
you're supposed to get in and out if you're a short seller, unless it's a really crappy company, Nicola and Ride,
or Michael Burry,
or anything that Michael Burry touches.
He had to delete his Twitter again.
Dude, I heard he covered
his Tesla 570. Was it 575?
I guess so. I guess he covered.
Man,
that's the rumor. That's why it popped like yesterday.
That's a $500,000.
He covered.
Interesting.
Oh, Glass Eye Burry covered.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, this is pretty much a doji. What we're really looking for is some upward momentum after hours, because what happens if you end in a doji, technically a doji. I'm not saying that this is a full-on doji, but if you take a look at after hours, you see that it kind of stayed flat.
This is still a buy the dip scenario.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
it kind of stayed flat. And I mean, doji, and it kind of went up right here. So it's up after hours. Let me take a look at NQ. NASDAQ futures. Oh wow. I mean, yeah, it's up a little bit for NASDAQ futures.
It's flat.
I mean, yeah. You know what? Yeah, you're right. It's flat. Again, if you guys, this is the reason why we look at futures, to see if we could get some direction for the next day, potentially. But again, if it's flat right now, just wait for it. We still have some time. The SPY. What did the SPY do today?
Not a whole lot. And you know who dumped today?
Who dumped today?
Who played us today was BA.
Oh yes.
Every time we talk about SPY, all I remember is like BA Boeing.
BA is pretty much like the biggest contributor, right?
Yeah, well, one of the biggest, yeah.
Right. But one thing to note about the SPY that happened today is it stayed above the EMA 9, although that is the bear hammer.
Buy the dip.
Buy the dip.
The futures.
Yeah, let's take a look at SPY futures.
Bam. That's about a hammer. That's about to hammer.
Splash. I'm liking that. So SPY calls tomorrow.
Hey, 0 DTE.
Is that tomorrow? No.
Today no, that's tonight, 8 p.m.
Is that it?
Explain what 0 DTE means.
0 DTE means that we are getting these contracts for hella cheap. We could load up on volume and get the hell out of there once it pops. Remember when we said yes earlier, when you see a big rip like this, flagpole consolidation. Almost all the time. Right here. Flagpole consolidation. Rip consolidation. Still bullish. Above the EMA 9. We're good. I think we're solid. The first stock that we want to cover is Roblox. Roblox.
A lot of people be trading Roblox in our Discord channel.
I know. Roblox is my favorite.
Because it's setting up.
It's pretty.
I like the setup right here. Roblox, first of all, is a very fundamentally sound company. Billions of users, okay? My niece and nephews, they play this game all day. All day, every day. And they ask me for Robux.
Ooh.
And you know what I say?
Ask you a question?
Is that Bitcoin?
It's kind of like Bitcoin. It's like digital currency, but
digital currency for that game, yeah.
But how much have you spent on Robux?
I tell them zero.
Zero.
I don't believe in this game. I believe in the company. I don't believe in the game. I believe in the company, but I don't believe in the product. How's that sound?
No, that makes sense. It's like if you're gonna buy some commercial product, don't buy the commercial product, buy the stock.
Yeah. Because
the stock will end up making you money.
It's like, all right, how about this? You know, my roommate loves Starbucks, right? And you guys heard that right, roommate. Okay. For the ones who know. she loves Starbucks, and I always tell her, you know, why don't you just buy Starbucks, you know, the stocks itself, okay, the shares, because they pay you, I think, a 1.5%, almost 2%. And in a year, if you keep accumulating, you know, all these shares, Starbucks will pay for your latte.
Oh yeah, for sure, definitely. I do believe that. But this chart is setting up really nicely. If you guys see right here, the EMA 9 is still above the 20, right?
I'm liking this.
We're seeing some nice volume, however, and this bull hammer right here tested the EMA 9, and there's more continuance tomorrow as long as tech runs.
Yep. I think tomorrow we'll hit 86 at least. Definitely.
Yeah. So, and again, the reason why we think this is a potential swing play is because of this, right? If you take a look at this EMA 9, how it's kind of curling, it leveled off today. If this ever curls up, if we have a positive day tomorrow and it curls over the EMA 20, we're off to the races here, guys. Also note that we're still below highs of $103. Below highs.
Yep.
So there's more potential here. If you are going to play
the curl.
Yeah, this is MACD curl is amazing. Yeah. We're not even over, we're nowhere near over bought levels.
Yeah.
So this is a potential perfect swing play. My price target. Yeah. I mean, if you are going to swing this, make sure that you guys pick out if you're going to get in shares, perfect. There's no expiration on that. But if you are playing the options market, I would look at a I would give it another like a 3 month out. 3 months out. 3 months out to let your play mature. Yeah, let's do a leap. Let's do a leap on this. Price target for me would probably be around
100.
Around 100. Yeah, that's easy.
Okay. Yeah.
That's
swing
possible.
It back all the way to all-time highs. Yeah.
Yeah, in a month, 100 in a month. I believe it. I believe that this is a good play for the swing. Yeah, I mean, as long as market conditions hold and we're on a definite uptrend, even if it dips on you in a couple of days, why don't you just accumulate, add more calls or add more shares? So ultimately, when it rips good.
That didn't sound
right. The next, yeah, it doesn't sound right.
Who's next?
The next stock that we want to cover is Upstart. Shout out to a Discord member. Was it Nico who did this? Or Andrew?
I think Chilled Florist and Curtis did, and I think Nico did too.
Yeah. Curtis and shout out to Curtis and Nico for giving us Upstart. They called this last week, and we were looking at it. Huh?
This is a solid play.
This is a pretty picture.
Yeah.
Look at if you
looks like Roblox chart.
It looks exactly like Roblox. It looks exactly like Roblox. So I think
this one has more potential.
Yes, this is a fintech company. Upstart is they deal with personal loans. And if I've used them before, they're a really great company, reputable company actually. And they look at more than your credit score when you're asking for some monies. But if you but this stock right here, exactly like Roblox in terms of the technicals. I'm very bullish on this.
Can you believe when it IPO'd, it was at $22 when it IPO'd?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, $22.61.
Back in December.
Yeah.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah, this has a lot of potential. Very, very high potential for UPST. Any after hours movement?
Imagine Palantir hitting 125 in like 7 months.
Don't tempt me, John. Don't tempt me, John.
125. John moves back to California.
I think Palantir. I'm gonna completely be honest with you guys. Palantir to 300 in 2 years.
That's doable.
That's actually conservative.
But I'll say 150.
Oh, 150. You want to load up on some 2023 leaps for 150?
The what?
2023 leaps for 150?
2023?
Yeah.
Dude, the year's not even done, and you're already out here looking at your crystal ball over here.
No, dude, remember, Palantir is a long-term hold for us.
I know. Hold on, let me check.
I'm trying to accumulate. I'm trying to get to my 5K shares, my guy.
A little disclaimer, I'm at 15 calls and 500 shares.
Let's go, Savage. I'm short by 500 shares to you.
You're not that far along, man. You're right behind me.
We're almost there. We're almost there. Actually, I might add to. I might start those leaps tomorrow.
Yeah, dude, I'm trying to DCA Tesla, bro. Dude, there is 2023. That's crazy. January.
Yeah, dude.
What?
They're cheap.
They are cheap.
They're cheap because there's no implied volatility.
Oh, there's tons of volume though. Look at the 30 strike. There's 43,000.
The open interest is bananas. How much is the price on the 30 strike?
I mean 650, 640, which is not bad.
Dude, that's cheap.
It's okay.
That's cheap.
It's pretty good.
Very cheap.
I'll look into that.
Very cheap.
I will look into that.
We'll definitely look into that. So the next stock that we want to cover, before we go to the next stock, it's going to be Disney. But before we do that, make sure that you guys are, when you guys are following our trades, make sure you guys manage your risk accordingly. This is not financial advice. These are trades that John and I talk about on the daily so we can find value and potential entries and exits to the current plays that we're already in. If you guys win some money, give us a nice shout out. Join the seminar tonight. Try to see if you can find any more value, right? Join the contest. We're giving away a free course, which we're extending another week, right? If you don't want to win $1,000 to reinvest in yourself, this game's not for you. This isn't your playground. This playground is for the people who really want to take matters into their own hands and become masters of their financial future. We're not going to say you need to stock up on a garage full of Herbalife products and collect 15 different people so that you could sell down to them. No.
Or Monat. Is that how you pronounce it? Monat?
Monat?
You know what I'm talking about? M-O-N-A-T?
Oh, I don't even know what that is. That's new to me.
Oh, it's like a competitor for Herbalife.
Oh. Yeah, we're not going to say, hey, have you heard about Forex yet? No, hell no. No, we're going to teach you guys how to trade for yourself and to become masters of your financial future. So make sure
be a couch potato, man.
Don't be a couchy couch. I'm a couch potato. Look at me. I'm shaped like a potato, and I like being on the couch.
At least if you're a couch potato, trade.
Exactly. You got thumbs. You got a phone. It's not like it's not in front of your face anyways. What are you doing? I feel like this is like a commercial for Phoenix
University.
Yeah,
they went south, bro.
Oh man, the next stock that we want to cover is actually from our Discord. Shout out to Tony. He was asking about Disney.
Dude, I'm so excited for Disney's earnings. Next earnings.
When is Disney's earnings?
Man, it's coming right up. I can give it I think in August something.
One thing to note about Disney, I'm going to show you guys something right here. From the highs of, if we zoom out, 203 to 175, massive dip, consolidation. That looks like, that's not even a head and shoulders yet, is it? A reverse?
Oh, you know what? Yeah, it does look like a head.
It does look like it, right?
Yeah.
It does look like it. All right. So, and this is a bull hammer that happened today. I think Disney has more room to go, and I'm very bullish on Disney. You see this MACD curl? This just touched.
First target's at 178.
Yep. First target at 178. Okay. Second target is Oh crap! You're actually going to go for the 50.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Because it's done that. It's always touched the 50. And plus, look at the overall market condition. I mean, majority of the stocks are hovering around the 50 because, like for example, tech's hovering 50, SPY's above the 50. Dow's lagging, and Disney's one of the biggest components of the Dow. So just wait. I mean, I'm actually excited for this. Remember my my investment challenge? I'm thinking about just dumping 500 on Disney.
Disney's a solid play. Disney is a very solid play. You never bet against the mouse.
Yeah. You
never bet against the mouse. So I feel like this is a solid swing. If you're going to swing this, again, make sure that you guys give your calls 3 months out before they expire. This isn't a YOLO situation. This is a be kind to yourself situation and give yourself some time. Don't stress over this play. Any pricing?
If you're looking at September, I would say September 175 strike. It's not bad. 800 for one contract.
Easy. That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Make sure that you guys are finding optimum entries. And if you guys want to find an optimum entry, make sure that you guys hit up the course tonight. We are going to be teaching a free seminar on how we trade. This will definitely give you guys an idea of what we go through on a nightly basis to prepare for the next day, to set up a trade plan, to find good plays. And it's going to be a fun time. 8 o'clock tonight. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys hit us a nice DM so that we can send you guys an invite. Right. Again, if you haven't yet, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at the Bust Down Academy. If you want to be a new trader, don't know where to start, or just brush up on some skills, we have a community of retail traders for you guys to bounce your ideas off of. You know how it is when you're trading alone? It's like talking to a wall. Is a wall going to talk back to you and say, yes, you have a good idea? No, the wall's probably just going to say nothing.
And guess what, though? Here's an example. One of the Discord member, shout out to Asian boy.
Oh, yeah, Andrew.
Yeah, Andrew. He pointed out
the contest, by the way.
He pointed out Citigroup, ticker symbol C, and nice chart, by the way. Beautiful. I'm up what 30% on it.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So he covered that. He called it out, and then a bunch of people hopped on it. And we're not talking about just retail traders. They're not a bunch of apes. They actually know what they're doing. So
yeah. We're not all crayon eaters here. I mean, yeah, me, maybe. I dip it in paste, but I am what I am. I am what I am. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit up or subscribe to the channel below. Make sure that you guys give us a nice, oh, crap. Post notification bell. Yeah. You know what? My chain's all off. Post notification bell. Give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.